Hi all, my name is Krista, and we talked about basic coil shapes last time for quilling, and this time we're going to just extend that a little bit further. So I have a question for you. So this is a basic petal, and if I were to take it and say I want something a little bit smaller, what would I do, or how would I make it bigger? And the answer to that is very simple. All you're going to do is take your paper strip and tear it in half, okay? So that you have two pieces instead of one. And now when you roll it, it's going to be much smaller than your original one, and then you'll have two different sized petals. Okay, so I'll roll this up real quick, and again, remember, all we have to do to make basic quilling shapes is to make that closed coil. Go ahead and make it, so this is an open coil, and then we add our little dab of glue. And then I'm going to go ahead and pinch it. Okay, and so you can kind of see this one was just a half sheet and this one was a full strip. So the size difference is, you can kind of see that there. Okay. Alright, so my next question is, what if I wanted to make a multicolored petal? What would I do? And the answer is quite simple. We're just going to take two colors, the two colors that we desire, and we're going to glue them end to end. And then we're going to roll them up just like we've been doing using our slotted tool. Just going to roll this up all the way to the end. Okay. Okay, and again I'm going to pull that tight. We're going to release it and make our open coil. And I'm going to make it into a closed coil again. Sometimes you got to pull the second color down just a little bit, make it a little bit tighter. And then I'm going to give it a pinch. And just like that, you have a multicolored petal. Now you could do this with 3 sheets, 3 strips of paper, 4 strips of paper, whatever you want. You can make it as pretty and colorful as you want. So, let's see. So now when you guys remember the tight coils from last time? This is something where I just took 3 pieces of paper and made it into a tight coil. So that's another way you can use different strips and different sizes. Thank you for watching. Next time we'll be talking about scrolls, and I have several other topics coming your way. Thanks.